Hello friends, welcome to Adobe XD video tutorials series. In the previous video tutorials, we understood what is Adobe XD and what is it used for, how to create and view XD documents, Adobe XD user interface overview, how to create and manage artboards in Adobe XD, how to work with line tool, rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, pen tool, and text tool. We also understood how to work with images, how to stack objects in Adobe XD. In this video, we understand how to align objects in Adobe XD. So let's get started. Here I have three rectangles. To align these objects horizontally, vertically, or whatever, first we select the objects that we want to align. Then we go to Property Inspector. Here we have alignment options, guys. If I select Align Top, what it does, it aligns the top edges of all the selected objects to topmost elements top edge, guys. If I say align top, you see they are aligned top. I say Ctrl Z. If I say align bottom, what it does, it aligns bottom edges of all the selected objects to bottommost elements bottom edge, guys. You see they sit here. Understand the difference. Align top, Ctrl Z, align middle, Ctrl Z, align bottom. So how these options work, you have to understand, guys. Next we have align left. Align left aligns left edges of all the objects to the leftmost object's left edge. See, that's how it works. Ctrl Z. If I say align right, what happens? It aligns right edges of all the selected objects to rightmost object's right edge. See, understand. Align left, Ctrl Z, align center, Ctrl Z, align right. So that is how alignment options work, guys. Next we have, let's say I place here these three objects. Okay, I select these three objects. If I say distribute horizontally, then it adds space evenly in between the objects. So if I click, you see we got same space between these objects. That is distribute horizontally, guys. Similarly, if I place these objects vertically, let's say, okay, I select these objects and say distribute vertically. Vertically it adds same space between the elements. So that is how alignment and distribute horizontally and vertically options work, guys. I suggest you people to try it yourself, experiment, you get more clear idea. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Adobe XD. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.